Welcome, my name's Alex. I'm Pop Vinyl 614. This is my first YouTube video, so, give me a thumbs up for the first YouTube video. What's up with that? I don't know what took so long. But today I got an unboxing, and I'll be doing a repair on another Funko Pop that I put in one of my displays, and I accidentally broke off one of the legs, but you'll see why. It's pretty necessary to make the repair, so... yeah, so let's get into it. So I got this the other week from Funko Shop. I was actually really surprised that it was still even there on the store. So I was able to grab it and swipe it up. So let's do the unboxing. Oh, great. So they got a box within a box, so we're going to show this side. But you probably have seen it already, if I'm not mistaken. But here, let's open it up, and it's Mr. Spacely from the Jetsons. This completes my my full Jetsons set, so that'll look really nice with all of those. So, thumbs up for Mr. Spacely. This is pretty much the last character from the Jetsons, really, that they can do, at least human-wise. So, I've been a Hanna-Barbera fan my whole life, so this is pretty awesome to see. It's a solid pop, fresh as can be. He actually was in the mail during that whole winter polar vortex, I should say. Yeah, it arrived in great condition and whatnot. So there's Mr. Spacely. So let's get started on that repair that we're gonna do, and yeah, looks pretty good. Alright guys, so now we're going to repair this Junkrat pop here. It actually, the leg here broke, and yeah, so I had to get this all glued back together. So yeah, so it's gonna go back up into my my Overwatch display, and I can see why this kind of broke off a little bit. It was on the floor while I was making the styrofoam display, so it got hit, it got stepped on or whatever. So gotta get his leg back on. So let's heat up the hot glue gun and let's get him back into standing shape. Alright, so we're going to start just by making sure that we have the right spot here glued. Don't know if we're all the way heated up yet, but we got some glue here started, so let's just that on there. A little bit will go a long way here, and then let's match up. There we go. Alright, so we're going to let this dry just for a little bit, and then we're going to put him back in on the and display. See, hot glue is really good for if you got any kind of broken Funko Pops or anything like that. you know, it really inexpensive, and it's really really durable. It can withstand pressure, especially on something little like this. So, you know, we're going to put them back into display, and then I'll show you guys that display. It's really awesome. I just got done finishing it earlier this week, so let's go check that out. Here is my Overwatch setup. You can see Soldier 76, Symmetra, Zenyatta, Genji, the whole gang here. Right here is where we had Junkrat. You can see standing up on his leg as well. I have the stand here, but it doesn't quite fit it also. Yeah, this is my whole setup here for Overwatch. We also have Kingdom Hearts, but we'll get into that into another video, okay? Alright guys, well that wraps it up. Here's the whole Jetsons gang. Mr. Space League was our brand new one that came into the mail from Funko Shop. You saw me repair Junkrat's leg, and kind of my Overwatch setup that I have displayed here at my apartment. So thanks for tuning in, and you know, we'll see you next time.